Hello बच्चों, the question says here a rough vertical board has an acceleration a along with the horizontal so that the block of a mass capital M, ये जो block है capital M का pressing against it does not fall. तो ये जो block है ये नीचे fall नहीं होने वाला है और इस vertical board को हमने acceleration a दिया गया है. तो coefficient of friction between the block and the board is, तो coefficient of friction should be option A greater than a by g, option B less than g by a, option C is equal to a by g and option D is greater than g by a. Here the key concept, हम यहाँ पे key concept यूज करेंगे. की कॉन्सेप्ट में ब्लॉक इन ऑर्डर टू रिमेन इन द स्टेट ऑफ इक्विलिब्रियम, मतलब ब्लॉक को अगर आपको रेस्ट में रखना है, रेस्ट पोजीशन में रखना है, देन द वेट शुड बी बैलेंस्ड बाय द फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स. तो हम यहाँ पे कंडीशन लिखेंगे फॉर इक्विलिब्रियम, the weight should be balanced by the frictional force. Weight should be balanced by, weight should be balanced, तो इसका वेट बैलेंस होना चाहिए किससे? वेट शुड बी बैलेंस्ड बाय द फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स, बैलेंस्ड बाय द फ्रिक्शनल force. Where is the frictional force? The frictional force, suppose this is the mass is here, mass is here, you have now ये नीचे की ओर जाना है तो frictional force should be in upward direction. This is the frictional force and its frictional force should be balanced by the weight. Weight is given by mg. Okay, now the necessary condition for the block not to slip is, so आपका necessary condition क्या हो जाएगा? So the necessary condition for the block not to slip, block not to slip is F should be greater than or equal to mg. ये जो frictional force है वो greater than or equal to mg होना चाहिए. And you know that the frictional force is equal to mu times the normal reaction. It should be greater than or equal to mg. And in this case, normal reaction, what should be the normal reaction? It is equal to m into a, mass into acceleration. So normal reaction is m into a. So here the m, instead of a small m, we can take it as a capital M. M into g, m into g. And normal reaction is a m into a greater than or equal to m into g. M will get cancelled out, so mu should be greater than equal to g by a. Mu should be greater than equal to g by a. So it should be greater than or equal to g by a. So option D should be correct here. It can be greater than or equal to g by a. The coefficient of friction mu जो आपका g by a स्टैंड फॉर एक्सेलरेशन, इससे बड़ा होना चाहिए, विच इज करेक्ट चॉइस इज ऑप्शन डी. होप यू अंडरस्टैंड इट वेल. बेस्ट ऑफ लक.